Hey everyone, my name is Gareth. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Park P&P. Park P&P is an online marketplace. It all happened last year. I bought a car for the first time. I was driving to an event and it took me 25 minutes to search for parking. On the way, I started to see all these houses and businesses on the way that had all this space. And I was like, why can't I just pay these guys to park in this space and stop all this time wasting and energy? So, it's not clicking. Okay, so the problem is global. Sorry for that. The problem is global. Who here in the audience, everyone's probably faced this problem of searching for parking. IBM actually did a study that found that 30% of traffic is actually people searching for parking, 30%. The problem is simple to understand. I mean, you have people searching for parking. You have people, homeowners who have spaces in their driveway that's empty. You have car park operators that don't have any way of communicating to these drivers. So we're not the only ones to see this. CNN have said an era of fumbling for spare change and driving in circles is coming to a close, and it is. Our solution, Park P&P, is an online marketplace that allows anyone to list their space and advertise it to generate additional revenue. Our marketplace is two-sided, so we have the private individuals that can list the space in front of their house, and then we have anyone who can then see these spaces on the app and website and rent these spaces, normally at a saving. And then we have the other side, which is commercial. We have schools, churches, businesses, car park owners, and hotel groups especially that are using Park P&P to list this space, which is completely underutilized through our platform seamlessly. They can have complete control through our dashboard we're very happy about. They have complete control. They can list their space hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly at whatever price they feel comfortable with. And they have the commercial listers that we have who install our hardware and have installed our hardware are able to see their live sales, live occupancy rates, change ticket prices, offer marketing promotions like never before, and they're able to see live financial data, detailed financial data through any device at any time, anywhere in the globe. So live, you have here 2 screen grabs. We're very happy with our UI and awesome tech team. On the left, you have residential, and right, commercial. These are live on the app now. You can see where the parking space is live on the map, live photos of the space, and actually even street view. So you can zoom up and down the street through the app and see what the area is like where you want to park, and a bit of features on that, and book instantly. So we're working with some pretty incredible people. On the left is our residential. We have Stephen, who uses Park P&P income to put towards his holiday, which I think is pretty awesome. And on the right, we have Gareth O'Neill, who's the GM of Crown Plaza Hotel Group, who says Park P&P is the 21st solution to his parking problem. So it is an end of an era. Technology is changing the way we park, and that's the Washington Post earlier this year. The market is enormous for parking. I mean, 26.4 billion is the EU annual revenue for parking industry alone. So I mean, we don't have to create a market here. The market is there, it's huge. We're just gonna put a big dent in that. So our story to date, since coming out of beta in just July, we have 3,000 listed spaces. We have 1,000 app users. We're live in 5 international cities, and we've just closed a $500,000 funding round with a few experienced entrepreneurs and VCs, PowerScore Capital and Enterprise Ireland, which a lot of you know. And we're very proud to be featured on the above, and we have a national rollout campaign coming soon. This is some ways we get traction so far in the market and through digital marketing. And we have those numbers impressively without spending a penny on marketing to date. So this is all organic. We have competitors. These are our competitors in the market. It's a very young and early market. The market is huge. The opportunity is big. And the demand is strong. I mean, we have car park owners who are calling us who don't know actually who their customers are, which I find incredible as a business owner. This is our team. We've grown from 3 to 12 in a year, and we plan to keep growing, and our partners there as well. And look, our vision is to become the #1 global parking solution. I'd like to thank ESB and the Web Summit and the judges for listening. I'm Gareth Flower, and this is Park P&P.
Give it up, Park PNP! Where do you think you're going, sir? Where do you think you're going? He's scared of the judges.
Apologies.
But the thing is, he has an app that helps people find the spots, the magic spots where you can park your car. Anyway.
Quick one. You're clearly trying to be the Airbnb of parking, which is fantastic. You're not alone, or there are other people trying to do this. So how would you differentiate yourself from the other apps that are trying to do this today?
Yeah, so really good question. There are people doing aspects of what we do. So like Just Park is our big competitor in the UK. They really focus on residential. We have solutions, hardware solutions that offer a suite to car park operators. We've already signed, for example, in Ireland, the largest hotel group in the country for this exact reason. This is new and they're taking it in open arms because we have solutions that the others don't. And on top of that, we actually use the wraparound of the residential to get people talking about parking. The Airbnb for parking has people who understand it very quickly, and it's a good wraparound, but we're 80-20 commercial residential, so.
Assuming that actually people don't need to park the car only at home. So how long in average does it take to get the booking confirmation? So
it's instant. Yeah, we have two options. So we have our listers who are able to put it comes up as a lightning bolt if you want to choose instant parking. They never use that parking space. Or people who say go to work 9 to 5 and that space is free. Or business owners who are open Monday to Friday and that space is dead at the weekend, and they can use that to generate additional revenue.
So you talk about a market of 26 billion, but that isn't really your market at all. So talk about how much of that is really addressable and what your rake from that market can be.
And to make it even harder, you have 20 seconds. Go.
Oh no, okay, so that is our market in just Europe, okay? I know you're saying about direct targetable market, so we have pretty conservative financial projections that in year 4 we're going to be hitting around 15 to 20 million. So that's just in our target market, and it's our conservative model. Thanks for the question.
Cool. Thank you so much, Gareth.